Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to use the callout markup in Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, ensure that your Snap to Content feature is enabled at the bottom of your workspace. Then, go to the Tools menu and under the Markup section, you will find your callout markup, the fourth option in the text-based markup tools at the top. Click to select it, or use its shortcut key Q. Now, click and drag to draw a callout. Once you release the click, the markup will be applied, and Revu will prompt you to add text. Mention the notes, reviews, or changes during your QA or design review walks. Select the markup and go to the markup editor at the top to change your callout's appearance, such as line color, line thickness, and font style. The font editing options are only available in text-based markups, such as Cloud, Plus, Textbox, Callout, etc. Change the appearance to match your standard marking style guide for efficient annotation workflows. If you go to the Markups list, you will find your callout markup listed here. Here, you can right-click to set your workflow status or add more comments. To add comments or replies, right-click and hit the reply option. A text box will appear prompting you to add text. Similarly, you or your other team members can change the status by going to the Markups list or directly right-clicking the markup. The status and replies will appear under the respective columns of your Markups list. Go to the Studio panel to open the same file in Studio Sessions, invite your team members, and collaborate on live drawings. Studio will keep track of all the status changes and comments with the author's name, date, and time. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.